Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the bamboo boat Zongzi ornament in Heartopia. So you can get this ornament from the Midsummer Rhyme exchange store. You can just click on the globe icon and then just tap on the Midsummer Rhyme and then just tap on exchange store on here, and then in here just tap this bamboo boat Zongzi ornament. It will need 25 astralism worth, so make sure you already have enough the astralism word, and then after that just simply tap on purchase like this, and then just tap on confirm, and just like that you will get this bamboo boat Zongzi ornament, and it will add it to your backpack, and then next you can just simply place it to your home like this. Just like that you will get this beautiful ornament. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.